Hey guys, I'm going to teach you how to make a photocopy, just in case you don't know. Walk down to the library, and just to the left of the computers you see a photocopier. It'll look something kind of like this one. This is not the library one, but you can't get into this room because it's often locked, so you're going to walk down to the library. Then you're going to take your plan for your printmaking project, so just pretend this is your plan right here. You're going to place it face up in the tray, like so. Simple, face up, and then you're going to find the start button on the copy machine and press it. That's all there is to it. And then on this side of the copier, you should find a copy of your plan. Now, the one that you made a copy of is the one that you're going to color with 3 colors. You're going to leave some parts of it white, but don't leave the background white. So you're going to color the copy of your plan, not the original one in pencil, but the copy. You're going to color it, and you're going to leave part of it white. You're going to use 3 colors, and hi, Miss Dixon.
Hi.
Yeah.
Okay, sorry.
Thanks.
I'll be right back.